In this guide, I'll show you how to download free games on PS4. All you need is an internet connection and a PlayStation Network account. Then, from the home menu, you want to scroll over and select PlayStation Store. And once this loads up, what you want to do is have a look on the left sidebar, and you want to scroll down and select Games. Now, when you select Games, you want to scroll down and go to Free. And once Free opens up, you'll see some of the most popular games you can get for free. But we're going to continue scrolling over to the right, and we're going to go to all free to play games. Now, here's where you'll find a lot of cool games you can get for free. So, what I recommend you do is select Add Filter, and then under Type, go to Full Game. And once you do this, you're only going to see full games that are available for free. In addition to that, what I recommend you do is go up to Sort in the top right corner here, and you want to change this to Most Downloaded. So this is going to show you some of the most popular games currently that are free, entire games. And what you want to do is select a game you want to download. So I'm going to go ahead and select Multiverses in this case. And that's going to bring me to this download page here where I'm going to select download once it appears. And once this boots up, it's going to bring us to this next page. You just got to give it a couple seconds. And now it says added to downloads. Then the game will begin downloading on your console, and all you have to do is wait for it to finish, and you'll be able to play it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.